When a buyer sees deferred maintenance, they don't see potential or character. They see risk and dollar signs. Hi, I'm Carmen with EXP Realty Northwest Arkansas Branch, and I'm seeing way too many deals fall apart lately for the same reason. Home inspections. They're one of the number one reasons that sales are collapsing right now. Here's what's happening. Buyers have more options and tighter budgets in 2026 than in previous years. It's like they're not willing to absorb surprise repair costs anymore. Their tolerance for fixer-upper vibes has completely evaporated, it seems. Buyers want move-in ready home options. So here's my advice for sellers. Think about getting a pre-listing inspection. It's going to typically cost you between $350 to $600 depending on the size of your home. This lets you find and fix issues on your timeline before a buyer's inspector turns a small problem into a deal-killing negotiation. You can also provide ages of your major systems like your HVAC, your roof, your water heater, and you can also give them the last 12 months of your utility costs. This isn't about oversharing, it's about removing the mental discount buyers apply when they sense uncertainty. Photos win hearts. Data wins brains, and you need both. So if you're thinking about selling, then let's talk about how to improve your listing before it goes live.